So creative, my world is filled with deadlines, designs, and endless screen time. But creativity isn't just about working, it's about living, experiencing, and recharging. So I decided to escape. So I packed my bags, grabbed my drone, and set off to a one-day escape to Venice View Beach Resort in Nzema, Western region of Ghana. Welcome to Nzema.
I was done growing up, had enough of chasing down the sun, but suddenly I can see everything evergreen.
Now, Venice View Beach Resort is located in Nzema, Western region of Ghana, and this place is a perfect place for escape for anyone looking forward to unwind, or whether you're going for a getaway, a honeymoon, or you just want to take your family on a retreat. So, first things first, this is where we would be staying for the night. Welcome to our room. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Interest. Oh, that's everything.
BBS on my wrist, on my neck. Baby, what is next? Rolling on me, Billy Protect, screaming we the best. I got though, give me respect. Baby, what is next? Tell me what is next. I got BBS on my wrist, on my neck. Baby, what is next? Rolling on me, Billy Protect, screaming we the best. I got though, give me respect. Baby, what is next? Tell me what is next. I got BBS on my wrist, on my neck. Baby, what is next? I got rolling on me.
We got to this location quite late in the afternoon, so we ordered for their jollof rice and fried rice, and the food was so good. It was so nice, especially the fried rice. It was amazing. Enjoyed every bit of it. After filling the stomach, it was time to have fun. What to get away without a little fun? And quite fortunately, here at Venice View Resort, they have a lot of games and a lot of fun activities that you can undertake. You can do the volleyball, you can do the cornhole, you can go for horse riding. There's so many activities that you can do over here. Well, of course, in as much as I was here to have fun, I also had my own mission to show you this beautiful place from above. So after a few minutes of having fun, it was time to show you this beautiful place from above. Now, as the sun began to set, the atmosphere was turning so magical. I don't know, but there's something about this golden hour at the beach. I mean, when the sun is setting and you have this beautiful sunset, it makes everything feel cinematic. So, of course, I had to capture it for you. In few hours' time, the night was here, so we had dinner. For dinner, I went in for the banku and tilapia, which also came out very, very great. Afterwards, we had a couple of fun, but it was getting late, so we had to call it the perfect evening. All right, so it was another beautiful morning. First things first, we have to fuel for the day.
It's breakfast time. Don't call me Thomas.
Right after breakfast, since we didn't catch the morning for the previous day, we had to do a quick morning drone shot, especially of the swimming pool, the sea, and it was amazing. I love the shots so much. And afterwards, of course, the fun had to continue. So we played this game, which was very, very fun. It was a very beautiful moment, and myself and my friends, we really had a very fun time at this place. I know what they say most of the times, that all good things must come to an end, right? But easy experiences like this, they stay with you. Sea breeze, the calm environment, the atmosphere. Venice View was an amazing place to experience. Though our stay there was very short one, it was just one night and a day. Experiences like this, they are definitely going to stay with me. So to my fellow creatives, don't forget to live. Step away from the screen, step into new experiences, and let life inspire you.
So we're currently here at Venice View Beach Resort in Nzema in the western region of Ghana. It has been a beautiful place so far. Just came to shoot content and relax a little bit, and the place has been awesome so far. I'm actually enjoying. I don't know if you need a place to go on a vacation or to just go and relax, chill, you need to come to Venice View Resort because it is super amazing here. Like, just listen to the sound of the breeze or the sea right over here. I love Nzema right over there and the whole place. And of course, you can see Kwesi's beach also is here. We have our beach here. Kwesi's beach is here. That is the founder. That is Kwesi. The founder is actually Kwesi Safo. He's right over there. So that is probably why we got Kwesi's Beach over here. It's not actually me, but of course, since it belongs to one Kwesi, it belongs to all of us.
By the way, if you are ever looking for the perfect getaway spot, Venice View Beach Resort in Nzema is highly recommended. That said, thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next trip, which I hope to be doing more of this year, stay creative and don't forget to live. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's Innocent here, and bye.